after using the bat of the humans. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. After using the bat of the humans. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
Good afternoon, basketball fans at sa lahat na nakatutok dito sa GYMNASIUM Sports TV. Liga na mga kampiyon. Pumuli si John Russell A. Senyora at kasama ko si David Joshua Bernales para sa Game 2 ng ating Bucal Juniors Division Championship Game. Magandang hapon, partner.
Magandang hapon din, partner. And syempre, ito na, Game 2 ang kinakaabangan natin na pagtatapat ulit ng NCF Tiger Cubs and ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Ayan, will they defend the NCF Cubs in championship title nila or tuluyan bang makakabawi ngayon ang ating Shepherdville Rams?
Ikaw ba, partner, ano ba ang predictions mo sa larong ito?
Coming from the loss kahapon, alam ko, ramdam ko kahit nandito tayo sa unahan, ramdam ko yung intensity and excitement and yung spirit ng ating SBC Rams na makabawi para ma-extend ang laro na to Game 3. Kaya hindi ko masabi. Alam natin yung capabilities na ginawa ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Yes.
During the second, third quarter, natuluyan nilang nalamangan ng NCF Cubs. So, honestly, hindi ko masabi kung sino ba ang magiging dominante ngayong hapon.
Pero, syempre dahil nanalo kahapon ng NCF Tigers, nasa kanila ngayon ang momentum ng larong ito. Na sila ang kampante ngayon sa pagpasok ng Game 2 ngayon.
And yung crowd naman natin, di ba? Nakita naman natin ngayon sa ating live audience, kumpleto pa rin ang supporters ng SBC Rams and of course, ang ating NCF Cubs.
Kahit malayo ang mga bahay nila, mga tahanan nila, nanunood pa rin sila in support of the Shepherdville Rams.
And dun sa nangyari kahapon, paalala lang natin, dun sa manunood po dito sa live, please, sana maging mapayapa ang ating panonood and even dito sa ating comment section. Mga kaibigan, kalaro, hindi kalaban.
Kasi naman, partner, mainit ang panahon kahapon.
Napakainit, nakisabayan.
Ginawa lang naman ng NCF is pinalamig.
Pinalamig ang mga ulo at damdamin ng kabilang kupuna. Pero mga kaibigan, tutok lang kayo at sa aming pagbabalik, papakilala natin ang ating courtside reporters kasama ang coaches ng dalawang kupunan. Don't go anywhere, tutok lang dito sa GYMNASIUM Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Short after using the bat of the humans. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. after using the block. All the way. Number 2 brings in a foul.
Partner,
back
welcome
na.
back.
Oo.
We are back. Pero maya-maya, mapakilala natin ang ating courtside reporter na kasama ang mga coaches kasi nagbi-meeting pa ang ating coaches kasama ang ating officials and
Usap
ang
muna
commissioner.
tayo, partner.
Yeah, usap muna tayo. So, recognize lang natin ang live audience natin dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, punong-puno at nakikita ko pa hanggang labas. Marami pang nakapila. And of course, our Facebook viewers na nanonood sa
shoutout
atin. So don't forget to share and like our Facebook page para mas marami pa pong makapanood ng ating Game 2 ng Bucal Juniors Finals. At kanina nga, Burns, diba, nakita natin yung awarding ceremony at ang naging season MVP natin ay galing sa UNC Greyhounds, si number 77,
7-7.
Valera.
Si Andrew
Valera. So congratulations rin sa ating top 15 ng mythical 15 natin and yung mga special awardees natin. So congratulations sa ating players across the teams. Sa 10 teams na naglaban-laban dito sa Bucal Juniors Division.
Talagang naman, deserving sila ng mga award nilang nakuha kanina and kitang-kita naman natin sa mga performances ng mga players na yan ng regular season talaga namang pinaghandaan talaga nila and napaka-deserving nila ng mga individual award na yon.
Ayan, and well-deserved and a round of applause para dun sa ating awardees kanina.
And syempre dun sa mga schools na
sa mga schools na
nag-participate.
Sana,
And congratulations din naman sa ating second runner-up na UNC Greyhounds.
And syempre sa ating Annunciation Panthers na kanina naglaro at kontra UNC Greyhounds. And sila ang pinakamalayo na nag-participate dito sa ating Bucal Juniors Division. Hopefully next season, mas marami pa. Sa college, sa Seniors Division, 10 rin sila, di ba? Tapos dito rin sa Juniors Division, 10 rin. So hopefully, sana by next season, mas marami pang sumali sa atin para mas masaya pa and mas marami pang ma-discover na skills sa seniors
talaga.
and sa juniors.
And ayun na nga, partner, no? Malapit na magsimula ang ating ball game na ito. 1 minute remaining sa ating warm-ups. Coaches ngayon from both sides ay nagbibigay na ng huling mga paalala sa kanilang mga players dito.
At pag-usapan natin yung aabangan natin ng mga players ngayong hapon. Sa side ng ating, unahin natin ng NCF Cubs. Of course, nandun ang ating best player of the game kahapon, si Peña Verde. At nakita naman natin kung
si Ersan Leia.
Yun, kung gaano siya nag-step up and yung hustle na pinakita at the end, hindi pa rin sumuko. No, at the end of the ball game at tuluyan nga nilang natalo ang Shepherdville Rams. At sa kabila,
kabila naman ang ating tututukan dito sa laro is yung dalawa nating runner.
Yun.
Si Burse.
Burse at si Posada. No, parang mga, ano ba pwede nating itawag?
The Flash.
The Flash Brothers.
Flashback.
Ganon sila kabilis. And napaka-unpredicted ng dawan. May range sila sa labas, sa 3-point area. May pull-up, perimeters, ano pa?
Court vision.
Court vision nandun rin. Yung mga feed nila sa ilalim. And sa side naman ng ating NCF, yun si Okray naman as a point guard. Kaya ano ba ang pwede pa nating abangan ngayong hapon dito ngayon, Burns?
Alam naman natin na size advantage meron ng NCF Tigers. And sa tingin ko yun ang gagamitin nila sa game 2 na ito. Yung height advantage nila.
Nakita din natin kung paano nakakuha pa rin ng mga offensive rebounds. No? Ang lakas ng box outing ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Kahit nga may kaunting height advantage. Pero hindi pa rin yung naging dahilan. Kasi nga nakalamang pa sila, di ba? And
exactly.
Tuluyan pa sanang mananalo yesterday pero sigurado ngayon.
Ang sa tingin kong strategy yung ginawa nila kahapon kaya sila lumamang yung Shepherdville is yung hustle play nila. Grabe yung hustle nila. Nakikita natin kahapon na si Posada, binabantayan siya ni Abareta. hindi nakakasabay si Abareta, talagang ang bilis
At
kapag
ang
nagsabay.
at ang
Tsaka
init.
si Clidoro din.
Didoro din.
Oo, napakabilis.
Napakabilis.
Pati yung camera hindi nasusundan si Clidoro.
At napakainit ng kamay.
Oo.
Ni Bursi kahapon.
Kung gaano kainit ang panahon, ganun din kainit yung kamay ni Bursi.
Pero kudos rin kay Lucido.
Oo.
Sa fourth quarter. Sa kanya nang galing unang three-pointer kung di ko nagkakamali. Tapos may foul pa sa 3-point area.
Oo.
Lahat ng free throws, 3 free throws.
May
Nagawa
pasok
yun lahat ni Lucido. At doon nagsimula
Oo.
yung run ng ating NCF Cubs.
And sabi nga ni Coach JR noon nung nag-commentate kami nung laro ng NCF, sabi niya na si Lucido daw is very fundamental daw siya.
Yeah.
Skilled shooter siya, alam niya kung kailan siya mag-a-attempt na mag-shoot ng bola and kailan niya ipapasa yung bola. Kaya napakataas ng basketball IQ yun, sabi nga ni Coach Parco.
At ayun na nga, naghahanda na po ang ating dalawang kupunan. Pero batiin muna natin ang ating mga supporters na nanonood dito sa ating Facebook Live. Shoutout sa iyo, Lay Flores, and kay Bruce Peñas, Go Rams, and kay AJ Lumangaya, go number 18, kaya niyan, laban lang. And kay Cassandra Seto na nanonood, happy viewing Cass, maraming salamat. And kay Francine Regalado, go NCF.
Yun. And syempre partner, Bucal Season 4 won't be possible without the help of our SBP NAGA.
Yan.
Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, headed by Sir Eman Faraon. Sila ang nag-o-officiate sa ating mga games and sila rin naman ang nagme-maintain na maging fair ang laban na ito.
And of course, our sponsors. Maraming salamat to our dearest sponsors, NAGA College Foundation Incorporated, Tres de Calibre Security Agency, Converge ICT Solution, Bucal, Mariners Polytechnic College Incorporated, Provincial Government of Albay, Lemon Residences, Mangkok's Kinalas, Manzonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, DLMR Psychometric Center, Nagayon Travels and Tours, Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services, Kamsul Biyaya, V-Art Gallery by NCF, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sons, SM City Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow, Worlds of Water, AT Graphics and Ads, and NCF Training Pool. Thank you very much to our sponsors. At yun mga kaibigan, pinapakilala na ang first five ng dalawang kupunan.
Ito yan ang partner, pinapakilala na ni Coach Apple yung ating first five na maglalaro at uumpisahan itong Game 2, do or die situation para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. One step away from victory naman para sa NCF. Ito na, partner. Let the games begin. Peña Verde fires a 3. That's good. Tres agad.
Unang tres agad! At ito sinasabi natin kanina.
Pero ayun,
On the
inside
other
pass.
side, Adan. Oh, good. Palay gets that rebound. And that's a traveling violation. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams. End line. Inbound play for the Shepherdville Rams. Napakagandang knockout play noon coming from the inbound. Peña Verde again.
Nuada goes inside. Labas yung bola.
Tapikan. Ball possession ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. At ito na Burns, pinagsabay na ng ating head coach ng Shepherdville Rams, si Burse at si Posada. Pero may turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Abareta ngayon, passes to Peña Verde. To Lucido. Short 3-point attempt para kay Lucido doon.
Ball possession ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. At naka 1-3-1 full court. Trapping ang NCF. That's a foul from Palahe. Posada now has the ball, passes to Burse. Burse, floater shot. Oh good, Adan gets that rebound. Second chance opportunity. Burse on the corner. In and out pero andon si Parea for that 2 points. At tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Magandang hapon, Bicolandia, at sa lahat ng nanunood nandito sa loob ng ating gymnasium. At syempre, huwag natin kakalimutan ang mga nanunood din via Facebook Live. This is Junel Jamano at muli akong nagbabalik as your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4 Basketball Junior Division. Bernson Russell, muli na naman magtatapat ng Shepherdville Rams at NCF Cubs para sa finals. Nakita natin na nagkaroon ng talo ng Rams kahapon, baka tapos malamangan ito ng kabilang kupunan during the last 5 minutes of the game, pero nakita natin kung paano kapursigido at kadedicada ng Rams para makamit ang panalo. Will be the Rams able to bounce back from their loss yesterday? Sabay-sabay natin yung tutukan dito lamang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell.
Maraming salamat Janelle sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Deadlock tayo partner from 6 plus 2 ngayon para kay Peña Verde to get NCF on the lead dito sa ating ball game.
Beautiful pass there. Adan once again for the Shepherdville Rams. Oh good.
Nuwada ngayon may dala ng bola. And to give us an update naman on the side of the Tigers, let us call on our courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa iyo?
Here we go, Burns and Russell, game 2 of the finals. And if there's a time for both teams to have their best record of the season, now would be it. The NCF Cubs know that the ball's not going to be that steady, but with their collected desire to defend the title and their pursuit to offer this game to their dreams and the NCF community, we can anticipate a roaring play from the Tiger Cubs. When asked kung ano ang natutuhan nila sa laro kahapon, kwento ng Cubs na hanggat hindi pa daw nag-last buzzer, go lang ng go at kailangan talaga pag naglalaro, puso lang. Kwento naman ni Aaron Navarrete, akala daw nila nasa Rams na ang Game 1. Pero with what seems to be consecutive miracle shots sa fourth quarter, they were able to make a comeback and thus win the game. Analysis naman ni Coach Gab de Vera, it's gonna be a long afternoon, most especially mag-a-adjust ang Rams. So he said a week lots of running and deadlocks. Well, what are your predictions, thoughts, and reactions on this game, mga kaibigan? I-share at the comment nyo po yan sa ating Facebook Live as our casters would love to hear from you to join the discussion. Ako po si Kimberly De Alanes, reporting live from the Tigers side. Back to you, gentlemen.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for that update on the side of our Tigers. Pero ayun nga partner, going back dito sa ating ball game, Lucido nakakuha ng foul. First attempt niya is no good. And ngayon, he will be taking his second shot. Lamang ngayon ang ating Tigers. 11-8. And 2 shots ngayon ni Lucido. No good sa free throw line. Pero ayan, ball possession ngayon ulit ng Tigers as Posada turns the ball over.
Ay maraming maaga ang mga turnovers ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. 3 na raw agad ang nakomit ng Shepherdville Rams na turnover.
Peña Verde ngayon ang mainit para sa Tigers. 3-pointer no good. Out of bounds.
That's out of bounds. Ball possession ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. And we have a substitution here. Lavandero. Burse. Passes to Grau. Parea now. Fadeaway shot at short.
Nuwada, nagmamadali. Fast break layup. That's good. 5 minutes, 5 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
Burse. Knocks the basket. Extra pass to Adan. Kicks out to Posada for 3. No good. Pero andun si Parea for a putback. And that's good.
Napakagandang offensive rebound doon to get that 2-pointer in. Pero ngayon naman, NCF on the offense. Abareta to Peña Verde. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Lucido at 3. No good. Offensive rebound, Peña Verde. Napalakas. That's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Tigers.
Lumilipad na naman si
Oo.
Peña Verde, mga kaibigan. At yung sinasabi ko kanina, kahit may konting height advantage ang NCF, may mga offensive rebounds pa rin nakukuha ang ating Rams. Parea.
That's a
clear
steal.
block.
Three-point lead ngayon, hawak ng NCF. Peña Verde makes that a 6-point lead. Ersan Lea
three.
activated na. That's another steal. Nuwada, layup. Kinulang yung layup na yon.
And we have a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams with 3 minutes and 52 seconds left sa ating first period. 6-point lead ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Rams. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po kami.
Short jumper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul. Short jumper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live dito sa ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium para sa Game 2 matchup ng ating championship game, NCF Tigers versus the SVC Rams.
At yung bola nga ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams, Posada, Burse.
That's another steal.
Turnover.
Lucido, layup, that's good. 8-point lead ngayon, hawak ng NCF Tigers.
Back-to-back turnover. Ano ang nangyari sa ating Rams ngayon?
Unforced error after unforced error dito para sa Shepherdville Rams. Kailangan nila tong ayusin. Lumalamang ang Tigers dito. Substitution dito para sa SVC. Soriao papasok. Pero Nuwada may dala ng bola. Fires a 3. No good. Burse ngayon, nagmamadali. Inside pass. Napakaganda nun.
Fake at napakaganda nun.
Abareta, hindi nagsasayang ng oras. Passes to Ersan Lea. 3-pointer.
Hey! Ang Ang init ng kamay ni Piña Verde.
Traveling violation.
Hindi ko na nabilang ang points na nagawa ni Piña Verde, pero sa tingin ko, almost lahat ng scores ng NCF Gabs manggagaling
Oo.
kay Piña Verde.
Sa tingin ko mga nasa 100 na ang puntos niyan ni Sanlea. Abareta ngayon may dala ng bola. Fires a long 3. No good para kay Abareta.
Ball possession ngayon.
That's a steal! Peña Verde. No good, isa pa! Foul dito ngayon para kay Nuada. 2 shots siya ngayon sa ating free throw line. Nice hustle there para kay number 16.
Napakaganda ng patience na pinakita ni Nuada doon. Kagat na kagat.
Oo.
Kita natin sa replay.
Op. Ikot, extra pass dito. Ayun na naman, isa pang offensive
Ayun.
rebound and then may foul na nakuha si Nuada doon.
First attempt is good para kay Nuada. 10-point lead na po ang kalamangan ng NCF Cubs. Posada has the ball. Passes to Soriao. Asking for a ball screen here. Posada. Soriao. Five seconds to shoot. Extra pass to Adan from the elbow. Short jumper is good.
Nice play there para sa ating SVC Rams. Mahaba ang pasensya dito ng Rams pero Peña Verde at 3. In and out. Abareta offensive rebound. Extra pass. Intercepted. Bola ulit ng Tigers.
And we have time substitution here. Murao and Okray will enter the court. Coming from the both side ng ating team.
Seven seconds on the shot clock dito. Lucido, 5 seconds. 3. No good sa mid-range para kay Lavandero.
Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Posada will set a play here. Passes to Soriao.
Foul
That's a
dito.
foul. Foul call to Lucido. Posada. Back to Soriao. Soriao fakes. Tack sa basket. It's
That's
good.
Ganda ng pump fake na yun,
Yeah.
partner ah.
Seconds to play mga kaibigan para sa ating first period.
Peña Verde at 3. No good. Lavandero rebound. Nuada. Balane. Nuada. That's a block pero may foul.
That's from number 19, Morao. At kung babalikan natin yung nangyari kahapon, Burns, no? Ganito rin yung nangyari during the first period. Pero everything changed during the second and the third quarter. Kaya it's too early to conclude kung sino ba ang mananalo ngayong araw.
Sa tingin ko, partner, umiinit pa lang
Yeah.
ang mga makina ng ating
Umiinit pa lang.
Shepherdville Rams. Ano ba, partner? Diesel.
Diesel.
Habang tumatanggal, gumaganda.
Gumaganda ang takbo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hindi pa mainit yung
Hindi pa.
dalawang
Ah.
the flash natin sa Shepherd eh.
Posada.
Soriao
Passes
ngayon.
Soriao. Ball screen. Murao kicks out. To Parea. Attacks the basket. Shot is off.
25 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Okray to Balane. To Okray. 3-pointer. No good. Shot
Rebounded
clock
by
is
Murao.
off.
Shot clock is off.
10 seconds. Corner
Out to
3.
Parea.
That's good!
And that's the end of our first period. 19 to 23, 4-point lead lang po ang hawak ng NCF Tigers. Tutok lang kayo dito sa GN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back live dito sa NAGA University Gymnasium para sa Bucal Season 4 Championship matchup between the NCF Tigers and the SVC Rams.
At ang lakas ng banda ng NCF Cubs dito, kaibigan. Para tayong nasa parada.
Oo.
Lidoro.
Pareha, floater.
Floater. That is off. Pero doon si Adan. Sorry. Si Pareha. Si Tuason for the offensive rebound. So Riao, beautiful feed there.
Napakaganda nun. Three-point lead hawak ngayon ng NCF. Rialo.
Foul there. Foul called to number 19, I believe. And that's his second. Shoutout sa'yo, Aika Peña, Gigi Peña, and kay Aldred Cordero. Happy viewing. Kapayapaan ang tinutugtog ngayon ng ating NCF Cup. Ito dapat yung nangyari kahapon. Ito dapat yung tinugtog nila kahapon.
Kaso kasi kahapon, alam kong pinatugtog nila big boy.
Big boy.
I need a big boy daw. Sumayaw ko si Coach Apon.
Rialo for that second attempt. Shot is off.
Ayan, Clidoro, isa sa mga mababilis din tumakbo dito. Double team by NCF.
That's out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Iba na to Umagang kay ganda na rin ang pinapatugtog nila.
Maling akala yan.
Oo. Umagang kay ganda kasi yan sa amin. Ay hindi. Ano yan? Kabuhayang swak na swak. Hindi umagang kay ganda.
Pati ako, parang gusto ko na rin kumanta dito, Burns.
Mamaya partner. Pero
Okray.
yan, back to the ball game muna tayo. Balane to Okray. 3-pointer.
Good!
Kaya pala ginaganahan yung banda eh.
Oo. Suryaw. Love pass.
That's a steal.
Parehas there.
Balane to Abareta. Abareta ngayon. Gumagawa ng opensa para sa Tigers. Balane to the corner. Rialo, 10 seconds on the shot clock. That's a foul. Backcourt violation pala.
Turnover.
Bola ngayon ng SBC Rams.
Shoutout Jericho De Lima. Shoutout sa'yo Alvin Oven. Shoutout kay John Wayne Posada.
Glidoro ngayon gets the ball para sa Rams. Soriao, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Extra pass to the outside man.
4-3.
No good. Balane nagmamadali. To Abareta. Layup. Linabas pa.
Nakita mo yung talon ni Clidoro doon.
Napakataas. Corner man.
Pareha. Corner shot is off.
Abareta ngayon to Okray. To Abareta. Balane. Inside man.
That's a kickball violation
Kickball.
kanina mga kaibigan. Shoutout sa'yo John Derek Berse and kay Kyle Arias and Francis Brandes.
Rialo pump fake. That's a steal. Fast break dito ngayon ng Rams.
Clidoro. Easy 2 points here.
5-point lead para sa Tigers. Intercepted na naman, pero nakuha ulit ni Abareta. Okray. Extra pass to Abareta. Stops and pops, mid-range. No good.
Natatawagan ng loose ball foul doon. Si Tuwazon. Babalik sa hard court. Si Nuwada. Shoutout sa'yo, Irene Graho. Watching from Calabanga. Happy viewing po. And kay April Malanyaon.
And partner, to give us an update kung ano ang kaganapan sa side naman ng NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa iyo?
Burns and Russell, a great start for our Tiger Cubs in this game as they take the lead at 19-24 on the first stretch. But coming in from a dugout, the Cubs can't let their guard down as the Rams are easily recovering. Samantala, when asked of his thoughts for this game, Coach Gab quips, it all boils down to who wants it more. Dito na daw magkakatagisan ng mental toughness and experience ng isang player. Payo pa ni Coach, despite a very tough situation, the players still need to do what is expected of them. Furthermore, ang hiling naman ni Coach Momo sa Cubs is to start and end the game like how they concluded the round 1 yesterday. Show the same intensity and the growing hunger to win. Who is more hungrier? Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell.
Maraming salamat Kim for that update on the side of the Tigers. And yun nga partner, sabi nga ni Coach Gab, labanan talaga to ng mental toughness. Pero ayan, timeout called. Dito ang NCF 25-28 ang ating score. 3 puntos na lang ang kalamaan nila. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang mga players mamaya pakataas ng timeout. Pero ayan.
Pero tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng Shepherdville Rams. Sa Janelle, ano ba ang kaganapan dyan sa Shepherdville Rams?
Burns and Russell, nakikita natin na sa unang minuto ng first quarter ay nagkakasagutan ng puntos ang parehong kupunan. Pero during the huddle, the coaches reminded the boys of their preparations and their errors from yesterday's game. Coach Al also mentioned to give their all at dahil kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa nila may uuwi ang panalo. Dagdag pa nito na palaging itatak sa isip na sa kanila ang bola at huwag hahayaan na makuha ito ng kabilang kupunan. Yun lang mga update dito sa side ng Rams. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle for that update naman on the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Partner. Ano ang masasabi mo?
Ano yan, sabi nga ni Coach Al, kung hindi pa ngayon, kailan pa? Kaya ibubuhos talaga ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams ang lahat nilang lakas.
Yes.
Ang lahat nilang tinatagong skills at lahat-lahat na para lang manalo ngayong game 2.
It's now or never.
It's now or never, partner. And natin na si Clidoro. Beautiful move there, pero andon si Drew for that putback.
1 point lead para sa Tigers dito. Ito na naman yung mga oras kung saan nakakapaghabol talaga ang Rams.
Ang Rams.
Pero ayan, Abareta. Whistle call there.
Ano yan magiging...
I think that's a whistle called on Clidoro.
Yeah.
And I think that's gonna be a technical foul on Clidoro.
For taunting. Tactical foul for taunting. And shout out kay Adi Shabet, Almero, and kay Kuya Mike Albao. Nanonood ngayon live dito sa ADNU de NAGA GYMNASIUM.
Ball possession ulit ngayon ng Tigers dito. Posada papalit muna kay Clidoro doon.
Yan, kailangan mo nang huminga ni Clidoro.
14 seconds on the shot clock dito. 14 seconds to shoot
And
para
under
sa
6
Tigers.
minutes and 8 seconds. Isa lang ang inahabol ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams.
Alam naman talaga natin, partner, na match talaga
No.
dito ang NCF tapos ang Shepherdville Rams. Siyempre hindi sila dito aabot sa ganitong klaseng stage ng Bucal Season 4 kung hindi talaga sila match. Kaya sila parehas nandito sa championship kasi sila talaga yung pinakamalakas sa 10. Pero ayan, 3-point attempt ni Lucido is no good. Offensive rebound ni Nuada. Passes to the weak side. Abareta to Lucido. Goes inside. Layup. That's good using the board. Para sa 2 points ni Lucido.
Beautiful move there by Lucido. And Posada now. Passes Tuazon. Back to Posada. Asking for a ball screen here. Posada versus Abareta. Oh, good. Nakuha pa rin.
Nuada with the steal. Abareta with the ball. Bareta goes inside. Extra pass to the outside. Peña Verde.
For 3. No good.
No good.
Rebounded by Posada. Heavily guarded by Nuada. That's a foul. That's second team fouls ng ating NCF Cubs.
3-point lead lang ang hawak dito ng NCF Tigers. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Posada gets that inbound pass. Posada to the outside man. That's
Ayun!
good.
Naawa. Umawa pa.
Tied tayo ngayon for 30. Deadlock, Peña Verde. Tunuwada. No good.
Napakagandang pasa. Sana yun. Posada
Chance na
now.
to.
Beautiful feed there.
For the lead, that's good.
That's true.
Lamang na ang SVC dito. 4 minutes 40 seconds. Sanlea Topalahe. That's good plus a foul.
Nakabawi agad at pinaganda pa. Counted foul. And a chance for a bonus shot here. Ito pala eh. Shoutout kay Alisa John David. Happy viewing po. Thank you for watching. Ano yun? 3-point play.
Completed yung 3-point play. Lamang ulit ang NCF dito. 1 point lang. Posada ngayon. Passes to Soriao.
Soriao.
Soriao, fires a 3.
That's
No
a
good.
short one, pero andun si Tuason. Extra pass to Drew with 5 seconds to shoot. Napitawan
Turnover.
yung bola.
Bareta ngayon to inbound the ball and to control the play para sa side ng Tigers. Peñaverde to Bareta. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Peñaverde dito. Love pass to Palahe. That's good! Napakagandang pasa doon from Air Sanlea.
Soriao. Balik kay Posada. Para hindi ko pa nakikita si Burse dito sa ating second period. Posada, spin move, plus baller!
Napakaganda!
What a move!
Very veteran move para kay Posada doon. Bareta, to Lucido, to Palahe. Palahe, to Lucido.
Wow!
Umikot na, umilalim pa. Nag-reverse layup pa.
Binali ba?
Pumasok pa.
Pumasok pa!
Nako naman. Highlight play after highlight play sa parehong kupunan dito.
Graho, corner, perimeter, no good.
Nuada, pass break. Floater. Masyadong malakas. Traveling violation para kay Drew.
And we have a substitution here. Adan will enter the court to Wason. Aalis muna after committing that turnover.
Peñaverde with the ball. Extra pass to Palahe. Beautiful court vision ulit. Connection ni Peñaverde and Palahe.
Yung chemistry
Oo.
ng Cubs ngayon pinapakita ng dalawang to. Drew
Drew.
now. No good for Adan for the second chance. That's in. 3-point lead.
Peñaverde.
Beautiful
Sinalubong
block.
sa ere. That's a steal, Lucido. Peñaverde tries again. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound. Plus a foul. 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Peñaverde.
Under 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 3-point lead ang hawak ng kalamangan ng ating NCF Cubs. Last attempt para kay Peñaverde dito. Second shot is off. Jump ball. Bola pa rin ng NCF Cubs. ...14 seconds to shoot. Shoutout sa'yo, Nathaniel Imbestro. Peñaverde, hang time! No good! At makakakuha pa ng foul doon. Foul called to number 20, Adan.
Second attempt ni Palahe, no good.
Posada has the ball. Passes to Soriao. Ayan na, pumasok na ulit si Burse. Burse. Crossover move. Plus baller. At nakakuha pa ng foul.
Nawala yung bantay ni Burse doon. Nice crossover there para kay Burse. May foul pang nakuha. And a chance for a 3-point play.
A chance to cut the lead to 1. Hindi ba yun counted, partner?
Hindi ko alam, partner.
Parang hindi kinounted ng ating referee.
Soriao, mid-range. Masyadong malakas. Putback. No good.
Wow, no good. Pero nandun si Grau.
One
Grau
more.
for the third chance. Wala pa rin.
Nawada to Lucido. Lucido natumba. That's a foul.
That's from Posada.
Foul called on number 15. 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Lucido.
That's his second personal foul para kay Posada. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo, Marimel Enciso.
First shot is good para kay Lucido. Second shot is good. Perfect from the line. This time, si Lucido. Ayan na yung dalawang the flash ng SVC Rams. Morao. No good sa kanyang attempt.
Too strong pero nakuha niya pa rin ng offensive rebound.
Soriao naman.
Soriao uses the glass.
No good. Another offensive rebound. That's a steal, Abareta. 2-on-2 fast break. Abareta layup. That's good.
Seconds to play sa ating second period. Soriao. Balik kay Posada. Posada for 3.
Hindi pa rin umaayaw ang SVC. 3-point lead para sa Tigers. Abareta, ano ang sagot niya? Spin, extra pass to Okray. Okray, mid-range, that's good. 5-point lead. Shot clock is off.
15
Burse.
seconds remaining time. Napakagandang ball rotation doon.
That's a block.
Pero can't connect. The 5 seconds remaining time para sa ating second period. Pero tumawag ng timeout ang ating Shepherdville Rams to make their last play of the period. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
Yan, we are back here live at the NAGA University Gymnasium para sa ating Game 2 ng championship match-up Shepherdville Rams versus the NCF Cubs. 5 seconds remaining time, second period. Last play para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Makakagawa pa ba ng puntos ang Shepherdville Rams o tuluyang 5-point lead ang magiging kalamangan ng ating
5
NCF
seconds.
Cubs?
Posada at
for
3.
3! Classic It's goal!
And that's the end of our first half. 44-46, 2-point lead lang. Hawak ng NCF. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 4 for the halftime break.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
Law enforcement requires people. Law enforcement requires materials.
Since childhood, it's part of my dream to become a law enforcer. Part of that dream is the motivation to finish the education intended for law enforcement, and that is criminology education.
Everything that you do should start from planning.
And during that time, wala talagang investigador yung fire service. And that's why some of the senior officer in Region 5 encouraged us to join the fire service. It's good that I was encouraged to take part in the INP fire service because immediately nagamit ko yung investigative knowledge and skills that was part of the learnings in any criminologist education. I was immediately assigned as fire investigator. I started as a fire officer 1, and then I climbed the ladder going to the officership. I go through with the yung tinatawag na career courses and training to become an officer. When I was promoted to the rank of inspector, I was given the chance to hold the position of Naga City Fire Station as the station commander. Yun ang position description nun eh. Ang success ko, di ko ma-achieve without Naga College. Ako naman, hindi ako galing sa mayaman na pamilya. Ang father ko talagang trying to provide us the better education. Ay marami kami. We are 10 in the family. So I'm the oldest. Sabi ko, every year, inaano sa bangko yung lupa namin. Makakuha ng pera for the tuition fees. Palagay ko, I have to earn my own education. I asked then Dr. Carlo Villanueva. Sabi ko, sir, mag-third year na ako next year. Medyo nahihirapan yung parents ko kasi halos sabay-sabay na kami sa college, saka sa high school, saka elementary. So, sabi ko, Doc, pwede ka ako matulungan mo ako makapag-study. Sabi niya, sige. Kinakailangan namin ng working students sa chem lab. Sabi ko, sige Doc, nakuha ko na rin yung chemistry ko, so alam ko na yung mga ginagamit doon and what will be my work. With that, yun ang pinaka-break eh. College education ko rito sa NAGA College, sabi nga niyo, sa Tagalog, napakasaya. Kasi unang-una, you are trying to fulfill your dreams. You are also helping your parents at the same time na hindi masyadong maggastos for your education. And also the environment here, napakaganda, solid yung mga department. How to improve the curriculum. Doon namin nakita yung every year may mga improvement yung curriculum. Masasabi namin that is the benchmark pagpunta sa excellence ng criminology education sa NCF. And for the student, being poor is not a hindrance to achieve your education. You have to find ways. Only education that wherever you go, even though you do not have the wealth, you can thrive and you can be successful.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pavilion 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, sa Albay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject in TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like let's say electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for NAGA College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
Sungunyan niya ako kitadigdi sa World of Water o wow, sungunyan hihilingon tapo ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream Travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
The Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium para sa ating Game 2 ng championship matchup battle between the NCF Cubs versus Shepherdville Rams.
And ayun na nga partner, bago natin simulan ang second half, i-analyze muna natin kung ano yung nangyari sa ating first half.
Okay.
So makikita natin dito, medyo may kalamangan in terms of percentage sa shooting ang ating SBC Rams. 45% sa 2-point field goal and 57 naman on the 3-point line. Pero kasi mababa ang percentage ng ating Tigers is because of the attempts na ginawa nila. Mas marami yung attempts na ginawa ng NCF from the 3-point line, shooting 5 of 16. 31% lang sila. Pero sa ating free throw line naman,
napaka-efficient naman.
9 of 16 ang attempts ng ating NCF. While sa ating Shepherdville Rams, never silang nag-attempt ng free throw sa first half. And dito, ito ang rason kung bakit lamang ang NCF. It's because of the turnovers na ginawa ng SBC. Halos kalahati ang turnovers na naibigay ng Shepherd kanina. 18 sa 19. Pero ayan, makikita natin kung magkakaroon ba ng changes ang gameplay ng SBC dito sa pagpasok ng second half.
At kung matatandaan natin kahapon, third quarter, served as the game ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Ang katanungan na lang, mangyayari pa ba yun ulit? O hindi na yun nahayaan ng ating NCF Cubs? Posada now has the ball. Contested shot na yun. Grabe yun. Posada stepping up para sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
1-point lead para sa NCF Tigers dito. Okray with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Nuwada. 10 seconds to shoot. Okray to Lucido. Lucido goes inside. Stops and pops. Mid-range. Wala. Bola ng NCF.
Last touch ni Posada. And pa-shoutout din kay Nico Andre Fabricante. Pinapa-shoutout si Johan Cado. Happy viewing po. Thank you for viewing. And kay Peter Balana, shoutout po sa'yo.
11 seconds on the shot clock. Okray to inbound the ball into the hands of Fabricante. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot para kay Lucido. Okray a 3. No good. Posada with the rebound. Pass break to Burse. Burse fake. That's good. Lamang na ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams.
Naulit na naman ang nangyari kahapon.
1-point lead para sa Rams. Fabricante to Okray. To Lucido. 10 seconds to shoot. And to give us an update kung ano ang nangyaring game plan dito para sa NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Gib.
And Russell closely fought first half ang ating natunghayang Woody Cubs, getting the lead 43 against 46. However, with only a small score discrepancy and stats difference, hindi maikakaila ang pressure on the Tigers bench to level up the play. Katulad ng kahapon, the halftime dugout became a wake-up meeting kung saan may mga napunang key players dahil sa performance na ipinapakita so far. Thus, the team huddled with each Cub lifting up the spirits of each teammate. Naging puno ng panghikayat, routine suggestions at reframing of mindset ang naganap sa huddle, with coaches pointing out to work out on rebounds as well as assists for the second half. Tiwala, tiyaga at patience. Ika nga ng Cubs. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Kim, for that update. Pero ayan, deadlock tayo ngayon. 1 point. Ay, deadlock tayo, 47 pala.
47.
Anong 1 point? Walang 1 point dito. 47, deadlock tayo, 7 minutes. 40 seconds remaining. Okray to Lucido. 5 seconds on the shot clock. That's a steal. Fast break, Posada. Layup, no good. Out of bounds, bola ngayon ng NCF.
sayang ng opportunity na yon to convert that steal into points. Pero ngayon, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Burns and Russell, we are having a tight ball game dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Hindi inaaya ng Rams na makalayo lamang kabilang kupunan. Kanina nga ay tumawag ng timeout si Coach An para sa 5 seconds adjustments ng second quarter nila. Though, nakakalamang pa din ang kabilang kupunan kanina. During the first half of the game, nagkaroon ng mataas na percentage ang Rams pagdating sa 3-pointer shoots and field goals, kung saan may kita natin na isa ito sa advantages ng team at pagiging efficient ng isang player. Yun lamang update dito sa side ng Rams. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell.
Ayan.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. At yun, pinag-usapan lang naman ng ating team. Shepherdville Rams yung nangyari. Yung last play nila, and of course, yesterday, naging laro nila ang third quarter. Kaya talagang kabang-abang ngayon ang Shepherdville Rams. Bursi now has the ball, passes to Posada. Posada stop and pumps. Short jumper is off. Pero doon pa rin for the second chance opportunity. Beautiful feed there to Tuason. That's too strong. Kapigan ng bola. Bola ng NCF Cubs.
1-point lead hawak ngayon ng Tigers. 6 minutes 35 seconds dito sa third quarter. That's a foul. Foul called on number 4.
At yun, third team fouls na ng NCF Cubs, ng Shepherdville Rams.
17 seconds on the shot clock. Okray to Fabricante. Fabricante to Lucido. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Palahe.
Palahe for 3, no good. Rebounded by Burse.
Burse ngayon, nagdadalang bola. Posada to Burse. To the corner. 14 seconds, inside pass.
Morao.
That's good.
Counter foul. And you shoot for his bonus free throw. And from Angelica Peñaflor, shout out kay Luis Alexander Lapid. And a chance for a 3-point play. Extending their lead into 2.
Palit-palit tayo dito ng kalamangan on this third quarter. Wada. Love pass to Labandero. That's good. Deadlock at 50.
Posada.
That's a steal, Okray. Triple team na ang ginawa doon ng NCF. May foul pa silang nakuha. 2 shots dito ngayon para kay Okray.
Under 5 minutes and 44 seconds. 4 team fouls na ang Shepherdville Rams. Hindi maganda to para sa side ng ating Rams. 1 foul to go na lang. Nasa penalty situation na ang ating NCF Cubs. At kung babalikan natin, ganito rin yung nangyari sa NCF kahapon, di ba, Burns? Maagang naging foul trouble ang ating NCF Cubs, NCF Cubs under 6 minutes. Penalty situation agad at doon kumamada doon si Posada.
Yes naman, partner. Pero ayun, second attempt ni Okray, no good. Out of bounds. Rams ball.
Shoutout sa iyo, John Christopher Romualdo.
Burse ngayon, intercepted pass by Okray. Okray penetrates. No good. Nuwada offensive rebound. Spin. Another try. Wala pa rin. Posada to Soriao.
Soriao.
Layup. That's
an
good.
easy points para kay Soriao.
Change favor. That's a steal. Out of bounds. Turnover ng NCF.
Beautiful defense there by the Shepherdville Rams. 1 point lead para sa Shepherdville Rams. Soriao. Balik kay Burse. Kicks out to Posada. Posada. Floater shot. Oh good. Pero nakuha niya pa rin ang offensive rebound. Soriao. Takes out to the open man for 3. No good.
Sayang nung sequence na yon to extend the lead ng Rams. Pero 1 point lead pa rin sila dito. Nuwada. Layup. No good. Try again. Palahe. Wala pa rin. Another one. Lebandero. Wala pa rin.
At tatawagan na doon ng foul si Morao.
Ang daming attempt doon.
Ang daming attempt doon. And that's their 5th team fouls.
Sanlea papasok dito. Peña Verde para sa NCF Tigers.
Shoutout sa'yo, Nath. Happy viewing.
Free throw attempts dito para kay Labandero.
And happy birthday to Aliza Jan, David, and Yasmin Paraiso.
First shot, no good dito para kay Labandero. Second shot to tie the game. Dito sa second attempt niya. That's good. Tie ball game ulit tayo.
Bola na ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Naka-diamond. Trapping ang ating NCF Cubs. Pero nakawala yon. Nakawala ang ating Rams sa depensa na yon. Soriao. Miscommunication. Turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Three minutes, 49 seconds remaining. Ball possession ng Tigers. Posada, Tunuada. Peña Verde lilipad. No good. Lebandero, that's good. Plus a foul.
And that's a 4th team foul, personal foul ni Morao. Lalabas muna si Morao. Papalitan ni Adan. Lavandero on the line, making his bonus shot. A chance to complete that 3-point play. Shot is off. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Ulidoro. Bounce pass to Adan. That's good.
Tie ball game ulit, partner. Dikit na dikit ngayon.
Dikit na dikit ang laban ngayong hapon.
Nuwada to Okray. Masyadong malakas yung pasa.
Beautiful defense sa side ng Shepherdville Rams.
Chance for a lead change dito.
Posada. Fires for 3. Bang!
3-pointer para kay Posada doon. Kailangan na kailangan nila yon.
They badly needed it. Peña Verde now. That's a clear foul. Bayadan. And again, nasa penalty situation na po ang ating NCF Cubs.
2 shots dito ngayon para kay Peña Verde. First attempt. That's good.
And happy viewing kay Idol Jerome Almario.
Still a 2-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng Rams.
Drew. Nice fakes. At makakakuha ng foul dun si Drew. And he will step on the line. That's the second team fouls ng NCF Cubs. First attempt is off para kay Drew. 2-point lead ang hawak na kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Last attempt dito ngayon ni Drew.
And shoutout sa ating 1,000 viewers sa ating FB Live. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. And don't forget to share and like our Facebook page, mga kaibigan.
Two minutes, 23 seconds. 3-point lead hawak ngayon ng Shepherd. Full court trapping. Navarrete with the ball. Passes to Peña Verde. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul called.
Ayun, Efraim Contante, shoutout sa iyo. And kay Mickey, shoutout din.
Second attempt is good para kay Peña Verde.
Turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Hindi na dapat yon. Kailangan nang iwasan yon ng ating Rams sa mga oras na ito. Under 2 minutes.
Peña Verde goes inside, passes to the outside man, Nuada. To Abareta, 3. That's short. Offensive rebound, Peña Verde. Nuada. To Palahe. That's a steal. Lidoro fast break.
Lidoro. Pero andun si Balane. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Inside pass.
Adan.
That's good.
Beautiful move there by Adan. Palahe. Peña Verde. That's a traveling
violation.
Nagkaka-momentum na naman ang Shepherdville Rams. 4-point lead.
1 minute 3 seconds remaining dito sa third quarter. Foul called on Balane.
Papasok si Burse, papalitan, magpapahinga muna si Posada.
Burse.
Soriao. Lidoro finding Burse.
10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds.
On the line.
Bola ng NCF. Abareta to Peña Verde. To Balane. To Abareta. Layup. That's good.
Drew passes to Soriao. Soriao. Again, another turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds remaining time na lang sa ating third period.
Lampas. That's good. Tie game.
Drew.
Muntik pang pumasok.
Muntik pang pumasok ngayon. And that's the end of our third period. And we have a tie ball game here. 60 points ang dalawa nating kupunan. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and last quarter.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live, partner. Napakatagal naman ng break na yon because in-adjust pa ng ating mga referees yung ating scoreboard sa taas. 10 minutes na lang natitira dito sa ating ball game na to. 61-60 ang ating score. Lamang ang Shepherdville Rams dito. Pero ayan na, partner.
Nandito
Ball
na.
game resumption na.
Nasa fourth and final quarter na tayo. 3-pointers off para kay Peña Verde. And again, paumanan po sa ating FB viewers. May clarification lang na lilinaw sa ating scoreboard. And lamangan ng isang puntos ang Shepherdville Rams.
Ball possession ngayon ng Rams. Burse to Clidoro.
Clidoro now has the ball. Passes to
Burse,
Posada.
nabitawan ng bola.
Nabitawan.
Turnover.
Turnover sa side ng Shepherdville Rams.
Abareta to Peña Verde. Goes inside. Attempt no good.
Palahe! That's too strong!
Balik ang kalamangan sa Tigers. That's a steal. Nuada. That's a block.
Beautiful block there by number 25. Pareha.
Abareta. Tunuada. 10 seconds to shoot. Peña Verde. 5 seconds. Abareta to Peña Verde. 3-pointer. No good.
Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Burse to Drew.
Drew na, was the ball. Balik kay Burse. At tatawagan ng
Traveling violation.
doon si Burse. Papasok na si Posada.
And to give us an update sa side ng ating Tigers, let us call on our courtside reporter, Kim. Hi Kim, ano ang update dyan sa iyo?
Burns and Russell sa huling bugso ng match, Coach Momo asserted that it all boils down to the remaining minutes of this period. Kalimutan na ang mga naunang quarters. Ang hiling niya daw ay alalahanin at muling ipakita ng Cubs yung depensa na ginawa nila kahapon on the last 3 minutes of Game 1. Now, coming on to the last stretch, possession by possession, ilabas ang galit, pero yung galit na galing, the hunger of a real Tiger, and dominate with class. Payo pa ni Coach ng mga batang Tigre, huwag matakot kung magkamali. Just play your game, start strong, and finish this game strong. Back to you, gentlemen.
And ayun nga partner, naghihiyawan na ang ating mga Tigers sa bench at sa bleachers because of that hustle play from Lucido. One more point. No good.
Jump ball.
Ball possession ngayon ng
Ball
Tigers.
possession ng Shepherdville.
Shepherd.
The 1-3-1, trapping pa rin ang ating NCF Cubs dito. Duru has the ball.
Full court trapping. Successful para sa Tigers dito.
Nang nahihirapan makawala ang ating Shepherdville Rams sa trapping defense na pinapakita ng ating NCF Cubs.
Peña Verde, love pass, intercepted.
Si Tuason, beautiful hustle there. Drew, tatawagin ng foul. Si Lucido. Three-point lead ang hawak kalamangan ng ating NCF Cubs. Drew will inbound the ball. Passes to Posada. Posada asking for a ball screen. Posada versus Lucido. Kicks out.
Corner pass.
Man.
No good.
3 points is off. Agawan ng bola.
Pass break.
Pass break. Peña Verde.
That's good.
Drew now.
Open layup para kay Drew.
Open layup.
Bawing-bawi.
2 points. Bawing-bawi ngayon ni Drew.
Abareta taking point para sa Tigers dito. Abareta. Stops. Step back 3. No good. Peña Verde. Another attempt. Nuada. That's good.
Posada finding Tuason. That's an 8 seconds violation. Turnover sa side ng Shepherdville Rams. At tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update sa Rams?
Burns and Russell, 10 minuto na tiyaga na lang para sa Rams. Kanina nga, bago matapos ang third quarter ay nagkaroon ng tie score sa parehong koponan. Pero during the huddle, paalala ni Coach Al na huwag makipagsabayan sa talon ng kabilang koponan at palaging humanap ng oportunidad para makakuha ng puntos. According din sa stats team, ay mayroon ng 4 fouls si Morao at Grau, and any committed fouls ay maaari itong ma-exclude sa laro. The crowd is going wild mga kaibigan, ilang minuto na lang magkakaalaman na. Yan muna ang update dito sa Shepherdville Rams. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams, at meron na nga tayong candidate for excluding for being out of the game kasi meron ng fourth personal foul doon. Hindi ako nagkakamali, si Morao and si Garaho.
Ayan, back to the ball game tayo. Nagtawag dito ng timeout ang Shepherdville Rams kanina to make some changes para sa gameplay na ginagawa ng ating mga Rams. And ayan na tayo. 6 minutes 59 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game.
Isang timeout ang ating Rams dito. Kailangan itawag talaga yon para sa akin, para maibalik ang kumpiyansa at composure ng Rams. Masyado nang malakas ang crowd ng NCF Cubs dito.
Nawada spins. That is still traveling violation dito. Unforced error na naman para sa side ng Rams.
And they really must be careful para sa side ng Shepherdville Rams.
Abareta ngayon may dala ng bola to Peña Verde. Humihingi ng bola, Peña Verde. Lumipad, that's a foul.
That's from number 24, Tuazon. And Tuazon is out of the game. First shot is good para kay Peña Verde.
Six-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng Tigers. Make that 7. Shepherd still scoreless here. Almost a steal.
Pero bola pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams. At tuluyan ang napunta sa front court ang bola. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 7-point lead. Soriao papasok ngayon at lalabas muna si Drew.
Soriao. Turnover.
Bola pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams. Under 11 shot clock to shoot. Soriao inbounding the ball para sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Posada with the ball.
Balik kay Parea for 3.
That's good!
Kailangan to. Yung tres na yon. Kailangan to ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Lucido! No good. Palahe. Lucido ulit. That's good. 2 points. That's a steal, Peña Verde. Three-pointer.
For 3.
No good.
No good.
Nawada.
Bola pa rin ng NCF Cubs, mga kaibigan. Number 20. Tatawagan. And that's his fourth personal fouls.
Lampas Kinuwada. Passes to Lucido. 3-pointer, no good. Palay, offensive rebound. That's a steal by Posada.
Pass to Soriao. No, Pareha. No good. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Posada. Adan is there for the putback and may kasama pang foul. Basket counts para kay Adan.
Big error there by Abareta, saving that ball and passes to the wrong person, tapos na-foul niya pa. Buhay pa ang SBC dito. Buhay pa.
Buhay na buhay pa, Burns.
5 minutes, 19 seconds. SBC still alive.
A
dito.
chance for a 3-point play. Cutting the lead into 3.
69-72 ang ating score dito, mga kaibigan.
Ito yung sinatawag nating championship game talaga.
Yes, partner. Match na match. Peña Verde to the corner. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover dito.
Posada. Soriao now has the ball. Soriao uses a good! Basket counts! A chance to tie the game.
Grabe naman yon. Soriao with that clutch play. 1-point lead. Chance to tie the game here. No good. Lamang pa rin ang NCF Tigers. Peña Verde. To Okray. Balik kay Lucido. Lucido goes inside. Layup. No good.
Posada. Okray defending Posada. Pareha
for the lead. No good. Offensive rebound. Good. Lamang na ang SBC Rams. Timeout ang Tigers. 73-72. Huwag kayong bibitiw, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 4.
After using the back of the all the way, number 2 by Zena, foul! seconds after using the block. All the way. Look for two minutes and a foul.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium at napatawagan ng timeout si Coach Momo ng NCF Cubs.
Okay, ngayon, layup. No good. Offensive rebound. That's a block.
Beautiful pass there, Parea. The first layup is off.
Posada. Nadala ng bola. Soriao. And to give us an update kung ano ang kaganapan sa timeout na yon, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim.
Burns and Russell, dalawang bagay mula sa dugout. Una ay reframing of mindset. Kahit ilan pa ang lamang, Rams maintain the same intensity. Pangalawa ay dumepensa without committing a foul. Dagdag pa ni Coach, ang ganda na ng laro. Huwag daw silang makontento at ilabas pa ang galit at desire ng mga Tigre. But with a class, samantala sumasabay din sa init ng laro ang mainit at malakas na suporta ng Tigers Beat Battalion and the NCF crowd, adding to the excitement on how this game will unfold. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell.
Maraming salamat Kim for that update. Pero let's go back dito sa ating hard court. Mainit na mainit ang labanan. SVC with the lead. Soriao with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Soriao. Extra pass to the outside man. No good.
Pero doon pa rin si Grau. Grau for the perimeter shot. Wala pa rin. Rebounded by Lucido. Passes to Peña Verde. Peña Verde feed. And the block by Grau.
Bola ngayon ng SVC. Three minutes, 2 seconds remaining. Posada crosses over his defender.
Napagandang
Passes
crossover
to the
move
corner.
doon. Soriao asking for a ball screen. Balik kay Posada. Posada attack sa basket. No good. Agawan ng bola. Bolang yon ng ating NCF Cubs. Bola ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. Palae. Balik kay Nuada. 8 seconds to shoot. Lucido. Nuada. Nice feed there to Palae. Pero does not count. 24 shot clock violation. At tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Burns and Russell, kanina nga ay nagkaroon ng huddle kung saan lumamang ng puntos ang Rams. Paalala ng coaches to keep their opposite busy inside the court to make more opportunities. Kanina nga din ay na-exclude na si Duwazon at Adan for committing 5 fouls. Yan muna mga mainit na updates dito sa side ng Rams. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell.
Maraming salamat Janelle sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. At bola ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. Isa ang lamang ng Shepherdville Rams. At hindi pa wala pa sa penalty situation ang ating NCF Cubs. Nasa penalty situation na po pala mga kaibigan ng ating NCF Cubs. On the line is Palahe. A chance to tie the game. And shot is off. Kailangan nila ng isang puntos to tie this game. Mga kaibigan, NCF Cubs and NCF Community, taas ang kamay. Second shot is off. Curiao back to Posada. Posada now has the ball. Pass to Murao. That's good! What a connection!
3-point lead para sa Shepherd. Peña Verde. Inside pass. That's good! 1 point lead.
Bursi now has the ball. Pass to Murao. Murao.
That's a block!
Defense there by Palahe.
Lucido.
Lucido.
That's good!
And we have a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, tutok lang. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul.
And we are back live sa ating Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium. Under 1 minute and 12 seconds ang natitira sa ating fourth and final quarter. Lamang ang NCF Cubs ng isang puntos. Marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari sa natitirang 1 minute. Tutok lang mga kaibigan. Posada.
10 seconds to shoot.
Murao. Lampas.
5 seconds.
Maray.
Burse. 3 seconds.
Curiao for 3. Oh, good.
Nuada, fast break.
Osino! In and out, no good. Morao for 2 at makakakuha ng foul doon si Morao. And he will step on the line.
2 shots dito para kay Morao. A chance to make it a 3-point lead. A chance to lead pala dito. 1 point lamang ng NCF.
First attempt. Short. Napakahalaga ng free throw na ito ni Morao. This could be the game changer. Wala! Rebounded by Palae. Abareta now. Peña Verde. Five seconds to shoot. Peña Verde.
Shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation. Very untimely.
Unforced error dito para kay Peña Verde.
1 second lang. Wala, 24 shot clock pa rin. And the SBC Rams will consume their timeout. Mga kaibigan, sino kaya ang mananalo?
Partner, wala na akong masabi. Napipigil na yung aking paghinga sa sobrang excitement ko. Hindi ko na alam ang masasabi ko.
Hindi ko rin alam kung may last ball possession ngayon ang ating SBC Rams. 25 seconds to play.
Yes,
at
partner.
On pa rin ang ating 24 shot clock.
76.
Play pwedeng gawin dito? Pwede nilang ubusin ng 24 shot clock or bibigyan nila ng 1 second lang ang Tigers.
Yes.
Or ang NCF Cubs.
NCF, nabubulol ka na, partner. Hindi mo na rin alam ang sasabihin mo. Ako rin naman, partner. Pero yan, ang gameplay ngayon na gagawin ng Shepherd, kailangan nilang makapuntos sa loob ng 24-second shot clock at pigilan ang ating defending champions na makapuntos. Ang game plan naman dito ng ating Tigers is makalamang pa sila. Gawin nilang 2-possession game. Etong natitirang oras na ito para makuha nila ang kampyonato. Pero nasa bola ng Shepherd Rams ang kapalaran nila.
At no fouls to give to. Kailangan hindi sila mag-foul.
Posada with the ball. Goes inside.
Floater! Shot! Good!
Lamang ngayon ang Shepherdville. Oh my God, partner!
Oh my God! Nice play there ang binigay kay Posada.
Pero partner, 17 seconds pa. Mahabang oras pa yan.
17 seconds pa.
Kayang-kaya pa. Pero what a beautiful play coming from Posada with that inbound play. As you can see, SBC is not dead.
SBC is still alive, mga kaibigan. Nakatayo na ang ating crowd ng NCF Cubs. At nakikita naman natin sa ating live audience ang supporters ng ating SBC Rams.
Hawak kamay, standing ovation, mga orasyon at dasal, gawin nyo na, SBC and NCF. Dito sa 17 seconds na to, malalaman natin kung may game 3 ba or may magcha-champion na.
Tama, partner.
Handa na ang Shepherd at handa na rin ang NCF. Peña Verde with the ball, balik kay Abareta.
Abareta.
Lucido. Abareta. 7 seconds. Fade away. No good. 0.38 seconds remaining.
0.38.
Referee. One point lead hawak ngayon ng Shepherdville.
Hawak ng Shepherdville.
Oh my goodness, partner.
Oh my goodness. Indeed. Magkakaroon ba na game number 3? Mga kaibigan, tutok lang. Nire-review ng ating officials. Kanino bang bola? Last ball possession. Kanino ba mapupunta? SBC ba? Or NCF Cubs? Mga kaibigan, nag-iingay na ang crowd ng Shepherdville Rams. Tignan ninyo ang crowd ng ating SBC. Sulit na sulit ang sakripisyo pagpunta dito sa Ateneo Gymnasium. At buhay na buhay pa ang SBC. Maitatawid sa game number 3.
And ayun na partner ang call. Shepherd ball with .38.
NCF ball.
NCF ball
Partner.
ba? NCF
With
ball.
1.
Kaya pa to. Mahaba pa.
Milagro.
.38. Pero ako, sa tingin ko partner, kung hindi nila ito,
kailangan dito ng ating NCF Cubs. At napatawag ng timeout si Coach Momo. Ano pa kaya ang gagawin ng ating NCF Cubs? .38 seconds. Mga kaibigan, tutok lang. Huwag na huwag kayong BBT. Taas kamay para sa ating NCF Cubs.
wala na ako partner masabi. Kompleto na ang aking Sunday. Napakaganda ng larong ito. And sa tingin ko, magkikita-kita pa tayo ulit sa sunod na Sabado.
Yun din. Magkikita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na Sabado.
Or, matatapos na ba sa isang clutch play
Sa
na gagawin ni Coach
na
Momo?
gagawin ni Coach Momo. Sino ba ang bibitaw?
We will
ng
see.
Clutch play na yan. Sa tingin mo, Burns, kanino manggagaling ang clutch point na yan?
Sa tingin ko, kay Peña Verde nakasenter yung play na gagawin ni Coach Momo dito.
Feeling ko, kailangan to ng depensa. No fouls to give para sa ating SBC Rams. At ready
Ayan.
na ang ating NCF Cubs to make their last play.
Shoutout play ng Decano and I mean sa ating
Happy viewing.
back to the ball game tayo dito mga kaibigan. 38 seconds remaining.
Taas kamay, NCF Cubs! Last play!
Masyadong malakas! That's the ball game. 77-76. Ang panalo ngayon, SBC Rams!
Buhay na buhay pa ang SBC Rams!
We will have a game 3 partner!
See you on Saturday, mga kaibigan! Sa ating Game 3. Sa Saturday ba ang Game 3 natin?
Yes, ata partner.
Sa Saturday ata ang ating Game 3.
Wala pa tayo sa best part.
Wala pa
Pero
tayo.
mga kaibigan, magbabalik po kami para ipakilala sa inyo ang best player of the game.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Look for two minds and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Look for two minds and a foul.
What a record breaker ngayong finals game Game 2. We have a 1-on-1 score this finals Game 2 and Shepherdville Rams won against the NCF Cubs. Mga kaibigan, kasama ko na ngayon ang best player of the game from Shepherdville Rams, hatid sa atin ang NCF College of Engineering with a score of 17 points, 12 rebounds, 7 assists. We have Posada with jersey number 15. So I have some few questions for you. You guys showed an impressive performance this afternoon. Ano ang mga naging preparations nyo para sa game na to?
Sabi ni coach, wag lang manggigil sa court and magkalma lang talaga and talagang pinaghandaan namin, natulog kami ng maaga para makarecover ang ginawa. Yun lang.
So how were you able to bounce back since last game? Talo kayo kahapon. Do you think makukuha nyo ang panalo sa game 3?
Let's see. Pero gagawin po namin ang lahat para manalo. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, Posado. And there you have it, mga kaibigan. Congratulations to Posado with his jersey number 15. And once again, this is Maria Janelle Germano, your courtside reporter for today's Game 2 for finals with Shepherdville Rams and NCF Cubs. Thank you for staying until the end of this game, only here on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Yan, we are back here and ayun nga, we witness ang ating best player of the game na si jersey number 15, Posada with 17 points, 12 rebounds and 7 assists, double-double para kay Posada. And mga kaibigan, nakita naman natin kung paano at anong nangyari ngayong hapon sa laban ng SBC Rams versus the NCF Cubs. Napaka-close game at napakainit. Kahit yung mga audience natin dito sa live, napakainit rin ang kanilang pagsuporta sa kanilang mga sinusuportahan na paaralan. At magkikita-kita tayo muli para sa Game 3 ng ating championship game. Muli ako po si John Russell Senior at kasama ko si David Joshua Bernales na nakasama nyo para sa Game 2 ng ating championship game, SBC Rams versus the NCF Cubs. Only here at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Short after using the